Looking for a toner cartridge that delivers sharp, vibrant prints without frequent replacements? The Xerox DocuColor Cyan Toner cartridge is designed to meet high-volume printing needs with an impressive 34,000 page yield. Perfect for busy offices, this cartridge ensures consistent color quality and reliability every time you print. This toner cartridge fits a range of Xerox models, including the DocuColor 240, 250, 242, 252, 260, and WorkCenter 7655, 7665, 7675, and 7755. That means you get versatile compatibility without compromising on performance. Whether you handle reports, presentations, or marketing materials, the Cyan toner produces crisp, professional results that stand out. Measuring just 4 inches tall, 3.5 inches wide, and 21 inches long, the cartridge is compact enough to fit seamlessly into your printer setup. Despite its size, it packs a powerful punch with its high yield capacity, reducing downtime and saving you money on frequent replacements. That's what you get when you choose genuine Xerox parts, quality you can trust. Many users from the United States have praised this toner cartridge for its dependable output and long-lasting performance. The genuine packaging guarantees authenticity, so you won't have to worry about inferior substitutes that can damage your printer or affect print quality. It's a straightforward solution for maintaining smooth operations in your workspace. If you're managing a busy office or need a toner that won't let you down during critical print jobs, this Xerox DocuColor Cyan toner cartridge is worth a look. It combines durability, compatibility, and consistent color output in one reliable package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your printing experience with a cartridge that keeps pace with your demands. Investing in this toner cartridge means fewer interruptions and sharper prints that reflect well on your business. The 34,000 page yield lets you focus on what matters without worrying about running out of toner. Plus, genuine Xerox quality helps protect your printer, ensuring it runs smoothly over time. Ready to boost your printer's performance with a cartridge designed for heavy-duty use? The Xerox DocuColor Cyan toner cartridge delivers what you need: vibrant color, long-lasting capacity, and peace of mind. If that's you, consider making the switch today and see the difference genuine toner makes.